Taoiseach, mortgage holders are facing interest rates of over 7%, some of them with households paying thousands of euro more in interest to the banks and to the vulture funds. And for over a year now, Sinn Féin called for the introduction of mortgage interest relief to support them. The mortgage interest tax credit that the government introduced is simply not working. Out of the 700,000 mortgage holders in the state, less than 15,000 households have received the credit. 90% of the money allocated hasn't been drawn down so far, and hundreds of families have been rejected from this support because their incomes are too low. I spoke to a single mother with 2 children whose application was rejected by Revenue because her income was too low. Her mortgage cost, Taoiseach, has risen by €5,500 in the space of a year. Minister Donoghue and Minister Humphreys promised that such families would be able to access support through the Department of Social Protection. But when this single mother contacted the Department of Social Protection, she was basically told to go to MABS. This is simply unacceptable. I asked you earlier on where the 50,000 affordable houses were that you promised the electorate 4 years ago. You weren't able to answer that. Maybe you can answer. Where is the scheme that the two ministers in your government promised that nobody can find that's supposed to help mortgage holders that don't have an income?